Okay guys, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is pure Alabama red clay, real high iron content. The whole hillside is this. And this is what we want right here, dark red. I'm gonna get me about a half a bucket full of this and we'll go to the next step. Okay, now what we've got is a bucket of this red clay that I am making sure I don't have any big clots, anything like that in it. Something that's going to be a problem. And it's about, well, I'd say maybe 3 inches deep in this 5-gallon plastic bucket. Okay? Just make sure you don't have any big hard knots. You can have a little bitty, small stuff the size of like bubble gum, jawbreaker, stuff like that. But fist size or bigger, busted up smaller. Makes it easier. Okay? Okay guys, now part 2 of what we're going to do. I've got the red clay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add water to this, warm water, tap water. And I'm going to first soak the canvas in warm tap water. Now to make life easy, what I'm going to do is, right now it's 19 degrees. We've had a little cold snap here in Alabama. And I'm not going to do this outdoors. So I'm going to take this down the hill back to my house and I'm going to put this in the bathtub. And I'm going to cover it with warm, tap water. And I'm going to sit there and by hand and rough it up. This is to get the sizing off of the material. This is put on in the finishing process in the factory, so it's kind of like starch. It kind of keeps it kind of easy to sew that way. Now I want to remove that because it would inhibit the dye process. Then I'm going to fill the bucket about 3/4 way full of warm tap water. And after this is thoroughly soaked and wet, I'm going to immerse it into the tap water in the red clay solution. Stir it around real good, and I'm going to let that sit overnight. I'll stir it a couple of times during the night. Now tomorrow, I'll take it out, lay it down in the bathtub, rinse it out real good to get all the sand and anything that accumulated of the clay out, and just have the material left. I'll let that dry and then I'll show you the finished product. Well, not quite finished, so stay with me.